Rob Frazier here. This video talking about 5 vital, absolutely vital, critical, necessary things you need to make money online. 5 vital, critical, highly necessary things you need to make money online. So, name's Rob Frazier. Been working online since 2010. Full time since 2015. It took me 5 years to piece these things together, and I'm still learning on a daily basis. So here's 5 vital things that you need to make money online. First is traffic. Just think about this. No matter what business you're in, no matter if you're network marketing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, any sort of e-commerce, you're promoting a product, service, a business, yourself, you're coaching, you're mentoring, whatever it is, these things, you put these pieces in place, you'll find success. First thing, just think about this logically. Traffic. And when I say traffic, I mean people who are interested in whatever it is you're doing. You need traffic, visitors to your website, visitors to your Facebook profile, visitors to your website, your landing page, whatever it is. You need people coming to your website who are interested in whatever it is you're doing. That's number one. And what I'm showing on a screen is just basically my blog and a place I go to get paid traffic. And let me pause this video to shut this bird up. I'll be right back. Rob Frazier and Nico the bird here. Had to pause the video. Bird doesn't like to not be included in my videos. So the first thing was traffic, people coming to your stuff, and what I had was basically my blog and a place I buy paid traffic from up here, just walking you through this whole process. The second thing, the second vital thing you need, vital tool, whatever it is you want to call it, is a list building ability. So that can mean a capture page like this. That could mean YouTube subscribers. That could mean people on your email list. This is how I build my email list. It could mean people who send you text messages, people on your text broadcaster list, connections, even business cards you may be collecting on or offline. So some sort of list building ability. That's the second thing you need. So lots and lots of traffic, and you send that traffic to your list building mechanism, whatever it may be. I send lots and lots of traffic from the internet to the page that you're looking at right here, and I'm trying to keep my voice down because the bird feels my energy and just has to start chirping, and I work from the house, and so it is what it is. So that's number 2. The number 3 thing that's vital and necessary for you to make money online on a consistent basis is conversions. So you get lots and lots of traffic. You send that to whatever list building mechanism you have, your capture page, your text message, connections on Facebook, whatever the case may be, people to join your free Facebook group, which is what I'm showing right here. Conversions. And when I say conversions, that can be people who buy your stuff, team members, people who buy your product, people who hire you for coaching. So conversions, customers, connections, that's the third piece. You need a way to take that traffic who's now on your list and to convert them into whatever it is you're doing. So that's the third thing. You need to have a structure in place to get conversions. The last 2 things are very closely tied together. Number 4 is a support group, a place you can go to find other people doing the same thing that you're doing, people that you can connect with if you have questions. Hey, what am I doing wrong here? Hey, I have a bird on my shoulder and I need ideas on how to shoot videos and keeping his mouth shut at the same time. But you get the point. And lastly, you need a mentor. Someone you can say, hey, what am I doing wrong? Where can I do this? How can I convert better customers here. You just need that mentor to be able to reach out to and connect with on a daily basis. So all of that being said, if you don't have those 5 things, if this information, if this is content sounds decent enough to you, I highly recommend getting me as your mentor. If you're watching this on YouTube, in the description there will be a link to my capture page. More than likely will look like this. YouTube, the people watching me right now, is traffic. A percentage is going to go down to the description, click on this website, and opt in, put in their email list. You can see me doing the same exact process I just laid out in this video. This YouTube video is my content, aka traffic, that I earn, and then the percentage of people who put their email address here is going to turn into traffic that I own, because you're going to be on my email list. From there, I'm going to focus on conversions. And you can see me doing the same process. Okay, Rob, I see what you're saying. So let me see how you are going to attempt to convert me. You see what I'm saying? So just go through the process. Put in your real email, and you'll see my process. You get in my Facebook group. You see how I follow up with my folks. You see how I provide mentorship for my folks. And you'll see these 5 things: traffic, list building ability, conversion setup, conversion structure, whatever you want to call it, conversions, support group, and mentoring. Those 5 things, you'll be making money online. And that's how I've made money online full-time since 2015. If that interests you, the links will be in the description. Name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next one. Also, Nico the Bird says sayonara.